guys, this is Pinay in Sweden, and in today's vlog I'm gonna show to you what I had ordered to Shein, and I'm so excited to share to you. This is what I had ordered before last week, and it seems it came 1 week before. They said that it will be sending July 25, but it came earlier. So guys, please, to those who's not yet subscribed to me, please do subscribe, share, and hit the notification below, and so that you will be notified for my next video, guys. So guys, this is it. So guys, this is it. This is from Shein. So guys, I ordered 4 pieces of cloth. It's summer clothing. Ordered 3 pieces, yan. It's so cheaper than mag-buy ka sa mga shop dito sa Sweden. So, ito siya guys. Ayan, ito. Ito. Okay. Ayan. Mura lang to guys. 4 na pieces, 4 na cloth na summer cloth, summer dresses is 58 euro. Is include already the free delivery. Ayan. So guys, andito lang ako sa car, pero excited na ako na mabuksan. So unboxing natin guys. So ito yung first guys. Ito yung una ko nabili. Ayan. Ayan siya. Mamaya sa bahay ito try ko siya, pero ito siya guys. I-share ko sa inyo na okay naman yung nabili ko. Mura lang siya. Guys, pag wala kayong time na magpunta sa shop at hindi nyo nagustuhan, pwede kayo mag-order sa Shein. Yan. Ayan siya guys. Ano to guys, mga long dresses siya na pang summer. Ang kulay na kinuha ko iba-iba. Mayroon siyang blue, mayroon siyang black na medyo bulaklakit. Ayan. Siya guys. Ayan. May sabihin pala ako guys, pag mag-order pala kayo guys, so those who wanted to order from Shein, kasi yung na-order ko ay small, hindi pala kasi guys, sinisend nila sa Europe. So pag mag-order kayo, medyo yung sa experience ko, medyo anuhan nyo siya ano nyo ng backward at konti, kasi dapat pala extra small yung order ko, kasi medyo mahaba talaga sa yung small, kasi small sa atin, pag sa Pinas small ay small talaga. Dito sa Europe yung small nila medyo malaki pa rin. Ayan guys. So kung small yung order nyo, yung iba kung gusto nyo, pwede rin kayong order ng extra small. Ayan siya guys. Yung iba guys na mahaba, puputulan ko na lang siya kasi medyo mahaba talaga yung small na order ko. So itong pang tatlo, ayan siya. Ito yung pang 4 siya guys. Ito medyo mahaba din siya kasi small siya, pero ayan okay. Ano lang to guys, 11 euro each yung ko nabili ko. So hindi pala, yung iba pala 15 euro, yung isa, yung pinakamura 11 euro. So guys, mura talaga guys pag mag-order kayo online sa Shein. So sabi ng nag-order ako online, July 25 i-deliver. In-order ko ng July 11. So nakuha ko siya ng July July 13. Ayan. So guys, thank you for watching for this opening and sharing to you what I had ordered. And to those who wanted to order, you can order online. Just upload the apps of Shein. Ayan guys, masaya ako dahil medyo mura talaga siya. Apat ang order ko eh. So guys, ito. Ayan. So guys, thank you for watching for my YouTube channel, and please do subscribe and share and hit the notification below para ma-update ka sa iba ko pang video guys. Ayan. So, thank you so much. Bye bye.